Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here, Weeby Autos. Today we have a beautiful, very original 1939 Buick 8 trunk back, right?
Trunk back sedan.
Trunk back sedan. I got Ben here, the owner of many years, going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today, Ben? Nice to finally get some sun out in the sky.
Yeah.
It's warming up a little too. So tell us about it. You got it at a garage sale years ago, huh?
Got it at a garage sale. Used it for a little while and was that with other interests, boat, bike.
Too many things on the plate, too many toys, right?
Yeah.
Wow. So when did you purchase it?
2007.
Great. So Art Deco. Love the design.
Yeah, that's what I liked about it. I know my uncles always worked on these cars, and that's what drew me to it.
Very cool. Straight 8 into the hood, right?
Straight 8.
It's a 3-speed manual?
3-speed on the column. Third owner on the car.
Wow, third owner, huh?
Father owned it, and then the son owned it, and then I bought it.
Very cool. The doors are real heavy, you know?
Yeah.
Just super quality built.
Yeah. That's when cars were cars.
Yep, you ain't joking. A lot of room inside, especially the back seat.
Yeah. Yeah, the guy was a chauffeur, I guess, in Brooklyn.
Oh, wow. Cool cowl vent right there. Nice touch with the plates, too. World's Fair, 1939. Man, that was sometimes, huh? Man, look at these. Headlights are just awesome. Buick Special. This was the beginning of an era, this car.
Yeah.
Really nice paint. Looks like it was painted one time. Looks like lacquer. For black, it's absolutely fantastic. It's pretty cool. 1957. Hey Ben, can you fire it up? Very original car, still running 6-volt system, straight 8. Straight 8 motors are fantastic. It's like a sewing machine. One's nice, huh?
Yeah. And smooth.
A cool headliner. Pop the hood. Steering wheel's beautiful. That was redone?
Steering wheel was redone.
Yeah, very cool. Original seat. They put covers on it years ago, it looks like.
Yeah, the steering wheel was a little chipped up and dangerous to drive it myself.
I like how you retrofitted the air cleaner. They're probably pretty tough to find. New wires. Looks like a new battery, right? Cap and rotor. Man, she runs beautiful, huh? There she is, model 41. Man, what a cool example, you know? I love how the doors open up like that. So cool. I bet you this seat's in pretty nice shape underneath the cover.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like that. I never did anything the way I got it.
Do you need the key to pop the trunk?
Yeah.
We got some spares, extra carburetor. Those are generators, right?
Yeah, generators.
What are these two guys here?
Front shocks, knee shocks.
Front shocks, huh? Original poly spare back here. That's probably a dealer accessory, the air pump.
Yeah, I believe so. I'm not sure.
Man, look at this radio. That is killer. Old tube style. Very cool. Man, what a pretty car. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. And Ben, thanks a lot.
You got it.
Beautiful car.
Thank you.